Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your cozy corner of natural skincare, where we glow naturally and where beauty meets tradition. Today's video is very special. I'm taking you on a journey that's incredibly close to my heart, deep into the steam, the scents, and the soul of the Moroccan Hammam. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. I'm not just going to explain the Hammam. I'm going to share what it feels like, the memories, the rituals, and the connection between women. Because for us Moroccans, the hammam isn't just a bathhouse. It's a sacred tradition, a form of healing, a place where skin gets soft but hearts get lighter too. And yes, if you stay until the end, I'll also tell you how you can recreate the hammam experience at home. Let's dive in. The Moroccan hammam has roots going back centuries to Roman bathhouses and Ottoman steam rituals, later embraced and transformed by Amazigh and Arab cultures. Historically, hammams were built near mosques and water sources. People would go weekly, sometimes even daily, to wash, purify, and socialize. It was part religious, part practical, and part spiritual. Even today, every neighborhood in Morocco has its local hammam. And trust me, it's not a spa, it's an experience. Let me paint you the picture. You walk in, wrapped in a towel or a simple robe, carrying your little bucket filled with black soap, ghassoul clay, argan oil, shampoo, and your kessa glove. The heat hits you instantly, soft, steamy, and comforting. There are usually 3 rooms: a warm one to get used to the heat, a hotter one for scrubbing, and the hottest, like a gentle sauna for deep cleansing. You find a little space on the tiled floor, pour hot water from the communal buckets over yourself, and the ritual begins. Step number 1, black soap or buldi soap. Made from olives, this dark jelly-like soap is rubbed all over your wet body. You let it sit, your pores open, and your skin softens. Step number 2, the scrubbing with the kessa glove. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's time for the scrub. And I mean the scrub. Aunties, cousins, and even strangers will scrub each other's down. Layer after layer of dead skin rolls off. You leave a piece of yourself behind literally. Step number 3, ghassoul clay mask. Next, we apply ghassoul, a mineral clay from the Atlas Mountains mixed with rose water or orange blossom water. It purifies and softens the skin. You can also use it on your hair. It's amazing. Step number 4, hair care, body oil, and rest. You rinse, you shampoo, you massage in oils. Some women bring tabrima or henna masks for their hair. Others just lie down and soak in the heat, the laughter, the quiet. So, what does it feel like? For me, as a Moroccan woman, the hammam is more than just a bath. It's where women come together, mothers, daughters, sisters, and friends. We share stories, we laugh, we vent, we breathe. No filters, no makeup, just us. There's a kind of intimacy and trust that forms in that space. It's where I learned about womanhood, beauty, community, even gossip. But also healing. The hammam is cleansing for the soul, not just the skin. Afterwards, you walk out feeling brand new. Your skin is buttery soft, your body relaxed, your heart a little lighter. You sleep like a baby that night, I promise. Some of my most precious childhood memories are from the hammam. I remember holding my mom's hand through the steam, watching the women scrub each other and sing. My kessa glove was always too big, but I insisted on scrubbing just like the grown-ups. There were other women who'd hum while applying clay mask. And the best part? After the hammam, we'd stop for fresh juice or msamman, which is Moroccan pancakes, still wrapped in our towels and still glowing. The hammam taught me ritual. It taught me that beauty isn't fast. It's slow, gentle, intentional. Now I know, not everyone lives in Morocco, but if you're curious, I can show you how to create a hammam experience at home, even if it's just once a month. Want me to make that video? Let me know in the comments. I'll walk you through the products you need, how to prep your bathroom, a full step-by-step guide for deep cleansing and self-care. I'll also link some of my favorite natural hammam DIY recipes. So Bilaras, that's the magic of the Moroccan hammam. It's not just about clean skin. It's about connection with your body, your culture, and the woman around you. It's ancient, it's powerful, and it's ours. If you've never tried it, I hope this video made you curious. And if you have, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Let's keep the tradition alive, whether in Morocco, Australia, or anywhere else. Like this video if you felt the hammam magic, share it with someone who needs a spa day for the soul, and subscribe for more glow-up rituals every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Until next time, stay soft, stay strong, and stay glowing, Bilaras. Bye!